Okay, today we're going to have a look at After Effects. We're going to create a new project. I'm going to select the new project from the home screen. This will open up the After Effects workspace. I'm going to go File, Save As. I need to do this to make sure I know the location of my After Effects project. I'm going to go to my desktop. I've got my AE training file at the moment on the desktop. Now I'm actually going to save this file into a folder called Projects. I like to keep things well organized. Within this topmost level folder, I have my assets. Those elements I'm going to be including into my After Effects project. I have a folder for my output, my final renderings, and I have a folder here at the moment called Projects. I'm going to open up this folder and I'm going to save this into this location. I'm going to call this Introduction to AE. I'm going to save my project. Now when it comes to working with the interface, like Premiere Pro, which I looked at in an earlier series of videos, you have these panels that are highlighted by these blue borders. The first one I'm looking at the moment is the project panel. We then below that have the timeline, and above and right we have the composition window, and to the far right of our screen we have a series of panels which can be expanded when needed.